In the turbulent year of 1966, a city was gripped by unrest. Oakland, California, a hub of African American culture, simmered with the tension of racial inequality. The city was a powder keg, ready to ignite. Huey Newton and Bobby Seale, two law students at Merritt College, were among those feeling the fiery embers of discontent. They had a vision for a new kind of organization, one that would confront the injustices faced by their community head-on. On October 15th, they founded the Black Panther Party for self-defense. The party's 10-point program, which included an end to police brutality and the right to full employment, resonated deeply with the people of Oakland. The Panthers, as they came to be known, were not afraid to challenge the status quo. They patrolled the streets of Oakland dressed in black leather jackets and berets, armed with guns, monitoring the police and serving the community. Their presence was met with both admiration and fear. Some saw them as heroes, standing up against the oppressive system. Others saw them as a threat, a group of radicals willing to use violence to achieve their goals. The police, in particular, were antagonistic towards the Panthers. In what became known as the Oakland Police Department's Operation Ceasefire, officers launched a campaign of harassment, arrests, and violence against the party. Despite the opposition, the Panthers continued to grow. Their free breakfast programs for children and community health clinics earned them support from many within the community. The Black Panther Party in Oakland was a beacon of resistance, a testament to the power of community action in the face of injustice. While their methods were controversial, their impact was undeniable. The party's influence extended far beyond Oakland, inspiring similar organizations across the country. The Black Panther Party may have faded into history, but their legacy lives on, a reminder of the power of unity and resistance in the fight for justice. The Black Panther Party in Oakland was more than just a political organization. It was a movement, a call to arms for African Americans tired of living under the yoke of systemic racism. Their story is a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who refuse to be silenced, who refuse to accept the status quo. It is a story of resistance, resilience, and hope.